to another online business realm video. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and click the subscribe button to stay up to date with everything we have going on at the channel. So today for Social Media Monday, I'm continuing showing you guys some stuff about Facebook right now. We'll move on to some other social media outlets here soon, but I thought one thing I wanted to show you is one of the basic fundamentals of running a business through Facebook, which is how to set your cover photo and your profile picture so that it looks good, people recognize it, and you can help brand your business. The first thing we need to do is figure out how we're going to make this image. So I suggest doing it on Photoshop. As I mentioned a million times on our videos, you may get sick of hearing it, but with Creative Cloud, you can get Photoshop for $20 a month, very affordable. You can use some free online programs to design your images, but if you're going to have a Facebook account and Facebook page or stuff, then I suggest go ahead and getting this so you'll be able to create more images and memes or whatever you need to do in order to grow your Facebook page. But you can use another software if you would like. I'm going to be showing you how to make this today on Photoshop. So now that we know where we're going to design it, we need to know what size we need to design. So to do this, Facebook is always changing the sizes of their cover photos. Profile pictures are squares, so not changing that one too much. But the cover photos and the way it works on responsive layout changes quite a bit. So let's come here to Google and let's type out current Facebook cover photo size. All right, now what we're going to want to do is, I know that looks good there. It has it just right in front of us, but we want to make sure. So let's go over here to Tools and go to let's just try past month. Okay. And then let's click here. So this is from earlier in February, so just about a month ago. So let's scroll down the page, and here we go. So what is a perfect Facebook cover photo size? Great question. It can vary a bit. Displays 820 by 312 on computers. So that's the size we're going to want to start with, 820 by 312. So we're going to want to set it with the desktop numbers, dimensions, and then we'll just see how that works out with our layout on the phone, and we may adjust it. We're going to make a very friendly cover photo that is going to be able to go across a lot of different devices. So what we're going to want to do is come over here to Photoshop and set it at 820 by 312. So we're going to go File, New. $820 by 312. Okay. All right. Now what we're going to want to do is we're going to go back to Google, and we are going to Google abstract backgrounds. Now, you can get in trouble for stealing some of these Google photos if you're using them on the web. Usually, if you have it on your Facebook page, you can guarantee it's probably going to be safe. I don't think there's too much to worry there. If you publish anything like this on the web, you probably want to go through stock photography, but for a Facebook page, it's really fine. So what we're going to want to do here is we're going to find something that is going to look good with our logo. Let's just say our logo is gray. If our logo is gray, then we want something that kind of is going to be not too bright, but is also going to have a little bit of color to it. So I like something like this. That looks pretty good. If that didn't have this little logo there, that would be a good one. You could use something like this. So let's use this one. I like this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to unmaximize our window here, and then we're just going to drag this over to our canvas. Okay, now we are going to resize it by hitting Command T or Control T if you have a PC. And we're going to minimize this down so it fits the window. Zoom back in on our canvas here. All right, so let's put it right in the middle. Okay, now that we have our background set, let's go ahead and add our logo. So I'm just going to make a little logo real quick to get the point across to you here. You'll probably have one already made. Let's make it gray, and then let's give it some white text here. All right, click off the layer. All right. There, it looks a little more centered there. Okay, so now let's make sure that it looks like it's all kind of in the middle. Okay, so let's go ahead and now we can save this photo. Save it to our desktop. And let's create it as a JPEG. Okay, so we have our dimensions right, we have our logo in the middle. Now let's go back to Facebook. And let's hit change cover. So we're going to upload a photo. And this is a Facebook page I don't use anymore, so you know, I don't really mind switching it out and showing you guys here. So hit OK, and boom, there it is. So we can save that, and what you'll find is since we have this in the middle, and we have a background that it looks good, but it is not going to affect the integrity of it, whether it moves up or moves down a little bit. You'll see that it's going to format across all devices nicely. So for your profile picture, you're going to do the exact same thing. You're going to go up back to Google and you're going to type in current Facebook. Instead of photo cover photo, we're going to do profile picture size. Like I said, this is square, so it's not going to really change. It says 128 by 128 on smartphone, 170 by 170. So you would just want to make it 170 by 170. So, and it's a square. It's not going to really change based on what layout you're on. The size that it displays may change, but the actual dimensions itself really won't matter because a square is a square. You're not going to lose any content on your profile picture. So we do the same thing. We would just hit new. We would come here and type in 170 by 170. Hit create, and there you have your canvas. So we would do the same thing, except for probably for this, you're just going to want to put your logo in there. Put your logo right here in the middle, and then save it and go set your picture, and you are good to go. Your Facebook page is now ready for you to start putting content on it. So once again, I hope this video was helpful. I hope that we were able to help you learn how to make your profile picture and your cover photo the right dimensions. And I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to go ahead and click the subscribe button to stay up to date with all the latest stuff we have on the channel for Social Media Mondays and all of our other days. So until next time, get out there and make some money.